Hello everyone, welcome back to Inside Electronics. So this video is about the ESD shoe cover dispenser box, and this is a must-have accessory in all clean room facilities, and a box like this can cost anywhere in upwards of 6,000 rupees. And these disposable bags, this comes in a pack of 50 or 100, and a pack of 100 is around 700 to 900 rupees. So this, as I said, is a must-have accessory in all clean room facilities. It's just a basic plastic bag that wraps around your shoes, hence protecting the clean room from the contaminations from your shoes. You're supposed to step on it rather than pressing on it like how I'm doing right now. But since now the unit is kept in my waist height for refilling purpose, I can only do it this way. And these four poles that I'm working on right now, these four poles actually keeps the bag in place. With the help of these green color plastic holders, it keeps the bag at the four corners properly, so that when you press on it, all the four catches or the locks releases at the same time, and that helps to hold the bag onto your shoe. I'll give a close-up of that poles right now because it has a rotating mechanism on top of it, and it has an alignment groove also, the top portion. I'll give you a close-up and see this one. This groove that the green thing is right now, that is the alignment hole, and look at that closely and you can see the screw rotating, and when that rotates at the four corners at the same time, it releases the bag. And since these bags actually come with an elastic band at the top as a barrier to which these green clips are mounted on, they are actually stressed in these four folds in a certain way. So when you're pressing it, these elastic threads releases the tension and it grips onto the shoes, and that's how it works basically. And let me give you a close-up of the green color thing because it's right here, and you can see I will give you a close-up right now if I can get one. So here it is. See, this is actually a hook mechanism that is designed this way so that it locks onto the elastic bag and also to the elastic band and also to the poles in a good way. So let me remove the bag and show you the inside. So this is the inside when the bags are removed, and this is the metallic thing uh, that you are pressing on with your foot. So you can see the mechanism that is moving inside. When you're pressing on it, the mechanism moves in a linear fashion, and that linear actuator rotates these four screws at the same time. You can see in a far view, in a distant view, that these screws are all rotating, and also now in this video you can see the springs in action. This spring is supposed to stay like that, and that upward push will keep the bags ready when one bag is dispersed. So right now I'm making manual adjustments, and see, because I'm recording with one hand, I cannot apply enough force to release the bag, but let me try to make it work by manually aligning these four pins. But this action is supposed to be happening automatically inside the machine, but since that spring is now locked, because otherwise I will waste so many bags, and because the spring is locked, I can only release it this way. Let me make some fine adjustment, and if I give it enough force, it should come out in the next press. Let me give it a try. Okay, there you go. See, now this is how it is supposed to grip onto your shoes also. When you apply it with enough force, the bag will release, and because the downward force of the spring also helps to release the bag in a much uh, you know stronger way, because now in this condition there is no upward force pushing the bags uh, to make it free in an easy way. And when the spring is loaded, the spring tension will help to release the bags much faster. But as I said, this is now kept out of service for refilling purpose. So anyway, this is all I can do with it, and I hope this video is useful because I don't know how many of you have seen a unit like this in an open condition. You may have seen the box like this, and you may have even used one, but I don't know how many of you have seen the inside of one of these kind of boxes. Now for me also, I was making this video because I found this box that was kept out of service for refilling. Otherwise I wouldn't have got the permission to do so, because who wants to disable something that is already put in operation. And this, just because we have an alternative, we have now, while making adjustments in this one, we now have another one in place just in case some guests arrive. So that's sorted out that way. So anyway, that was all about this particular item. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching, guys. See you with another video.